Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate destination for the latest car updates, reviews, and everything on wheels. If you love discovering the newest models and the stories behind them, you're in the right place. So buckle up and let's dive into what's buzzing in the automotive world. Today we're taking a closer look at a true legend reborn, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. This iconic vehicle, known for its unmistakable silhouette and rich history, is making a dramatic return, and Volkswagen has reimagined it for the future like never before. The 2025 Beetle has been redesigned with a perfect blend of retro charm and futuristic style. It still carries the signature round headlights and compact curved body that made it famous, but this time, it comes with a sleeker, more aerodynamic shape and modern LED lighting all around. Volkswagen has managed to preserve the Beetle's soul while giving it a fresh identity that's ready for a new generation of drivers. Under the hood, the new Beetle has embraced electrification. That's right, the 2025 model is fully electric, built on VW's MEB platform, the same used in their ID series. The electric motor delivers an estimated 200 to 250 horsepower, giving the Beetle a surprisingly zippy performance while remaining silent and emissions-free. With a range of around 300 miles on a full charge, it's perfect for both city cruising and weekend getaways. Inside the cabin is where the Beetle really shines. The retro-inspired dashboard is paired with a large digital display, ambient lighting, and sustainable materials, creating a stylish and eco-friendly interior. You get all the tech features you'd expect from a modern EV, including a massive infotainment screen, wireless smartphone integration, advanced driver assistance systems, and voice controls. Volkswagen has also focused heavily on personalization. Buyers can choose from a wide range of exterior colors, interior trims, and even wheel designs to make the Beetle truly their own. Whether you're looking for a classic look or something more bold and expressive, there's a configuration for every taste. Safety is another strong point. The 2025 Beetle comes equipped with features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. It's designed not just to turn heads, but to keep you and your passengers safe on every journey. Volkswagen hasn't officially confirmed the pricing yet, but early estimates suggest a starting price around $35,000, making it a competitive option in the electric compact car market. With its blend of heritage, modern tech, and electric performance, the Beetle is set to make a major impact in 2025. That's all for today's quick look at the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. If you're excited about this electric comeback, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive news and reviews. See you in the next ride.